Yep, now. Is it recording? Okay, we're good.
I don't think the box did very well.
Yeah. I don't think it did either. Wait! What?
You have to shut off me, you fuckers.
Sorry.
I say it's dead.
Well, we're gonna have to have a big. Well, there's a trash can there, so now we know where to put all the. All right, he's shooting the 270.
He's shooting the 270. A couple days ago, he ended up cutting off his thumb, and now he's shooting a gun and playing airsoft.
Safety off.
This.
Yeah, if I don't break my shoulders, not being able to hold it right.
Bang.
Oh, my turn.
Boom.
I got overshot, but
that's fine. My turn.
Huh? Did that hurt?
What,
Oh God, that's louder.
God damn you, Noah.
Open that up, bro, and go put that back where you found it.
Huh? I shot over it.
You can't go throwing those. My dad will get pissed off.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Good ball, you're oh! Fireball.
Hey, I was gonna shoot my that damn can. What can?
What can?
I don't see no can no more.
Here, hold on, cease fire. I want to go down and look.
Whoa, it's empty. There's a dead bird right there.
Let's put him up and shoot him.
That's animal cruelty.
Right there.
God.
Aww.
That right there is how you fuck something up.
Hang it by his toes. We can swing it so you can hit it first.
Oh, what?
It's been dead a couple days.
Its foot and swing it so you can get it first with a 22.
Oh God. Keep that away from the junk. Just kind of do whatever you're gonna do.
Don't shoot that.
Don't eat it.
I want to get that can again because somebody decided to shoot it.
Sorry.
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 Sorry. I'm sorry.
Missed it all.
Did I?
Yeah.
Just finish it off.
That's good. Oh, hit my shit.
It's shooting high.
Is it empty?
Yep.
Yeah. The fuck was that?
Tree. It's shooting high.
I was like, what was I getting hit by? Oh, I was getting hit by shells.
Oh, I hit it once.
Let me see.
Hit it once.
Well. Fuck. Yeah. The hell?
Wait, we got video material over here.
What?
We are going to clean that shit up.
Look, he loaded it and now he's gonna go boom with one hand.
Alright. Let me get the fuck out of the way.
That starts to slide because he's got that kitchen.
Wait, are you gonna like shoot it one-handed?
Yeah, he's gonna go.
We can do it.
I shot 12 gauge on my life. This is easy shit.
Yeah.
Alright, he's gonna shoot 12 gauge one hand. I'm getting the fuck away.
Alright, ready?
Ready?
Oh shit, I saw that.
Yeah, it went right past it.
Wait, let's try that again. Retake that.
That's the last shot. Yeah.
Oh, was it?
Well, I'm gonna turn it. We're good. It's redneck Lamborghini right here. What the fuck?
Great check.
What the hell? Oh, he fell on. Oh, we better see if he's all right. You fell off the front. I thought you was going under the truck, bro.
No, I jumped off.
Oh, okay.
I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, I thought you was going to go under the front. I was like, oh fuck. Is your knife all right?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yep. Oh God.
You guys should have seen me jump off, dude.
He jumped off the fucking truck.
Off the front of it, too.
What are you doing? What are you going to do with that?
Season's over.
We're going to shoot
this in a giant ass target.
Yeah, we could use it.
It's back there anyway. It's easier. We can tell when it's shooting.
Yeah.
I get first shots on him.
Alrighty. He's out there listening to Five Finger Death Punch. Yes.
I'm gonna load up. What is this?
That is the other Mobo. To the fucking computer. Oh, there's sprinkles coming out of it?
Yeah.
Shit. I have to sweep this place up. Yeah, this came out of my fucking computer. Yeah, and it's right now a sprinkle dispenser. So we'll have to clean this place up before we fucking leave.
Oh, okay.
There's some on the
Wait, where's the earbuds?
I think they're on the counter. Oh, drinking my cup and looking at this thing in the fuck.
it's not on sale.
Juggling my nuts.
When
Used
you
to
rack that
hands
bolt
while I
with the
juggle
light.
these fucks.
Oh! Don't walk in front of it.
Hold on a second.
Walk in front until you start swinging the barrel a little bit.
Hey, John.
Heads up!
Oh, it ain't that loud.
You like this song? No, for real? Watch out, Mitchell. Let me see this.
Yeah, we put 2 bullets right in the same hole.
Deer hunting, boys.
Yeah.
Here, Mitchell. Here, no, here, Bryce. You film. There we go.
Hold it sideways like that.
Yeah.
Play,
Ready, Alex?
just down with the sickness by Disturbed.
Yeah, fucking down with the sickness. Oh, there's one in it. Oh, wait, no. Never mind. Oh, I felt that.
I felt that in my
Got it right over your
genitals.
shoulder.
Alright, I am not going to shoot no more.
Pretty sure that's not supposed to happen.
Well, I'm going to let the barrel cool.
Straight out when it was locked in.
Down with the sickness. Huh? Alrighty.
Get it right over your shoulder. I get it
I'll get over here.
over the last time. You shot too fast. No, I got like right here.
Oh. Okay. I'll get right here. Is it not wanting to close?
More 270 rounds.
Hey, heads up behind you.
Heads up.
We need some more 270 rounds.
I don't want to change it.
Alex, what you should do is you turn your truck around.
Oh, my ears are starting to fucking feel that.
Turn your truck sideways and shoot from the back of it.
Pull it all. Here.
I'm going down right.
There we go. Yeah, it ain't doing nothing to the bolt face. I checked the bolt face real quick and it ain't doing nothing to it. Let's see what it did.
Did I? Yeah. I missed?
Yeah.
The hell? I was aiming right for it.
These two are you.
You missed. The fuck? I was aiming right for it.
Is that you?
Yeah, I think that may have been it.
Yeah, you might have went through it down there. It's just not him. Like,
Man.
270 makes perfectly circle holes.
Remember,
I think that's
you gotta remember that the ammo ain't on par with the rifle.
True.
Yeah. That's like old 1950s like turkey ammo from Turkey.
I'm thinking about painting this one, but I'm not sure.
You but think about doing what?
Painting it.
Painting it? What color?
Multicam.
Multicam. You gonna shoot it?
Thinking about the exact same time.
Hold on, Alex. Hold on. Go ahead.
Got it.
Yep.
You guys ready in there? What? You guys ready?
Oh, God.
Okay.
Want to try it?
Tell me when you guys are about to shoot. I got it zoomed in all the way. We should be able to watch it go
Hey, the
in.
ball's right there.
I could watch it on yours.
Hey, the ball's right there in the front.
I could. I'm not
Set
going
it
to.
up where I had it.
Where'd it go?
It's
No,
in the
fuck that
box.
shit.
Oh, okay.
Set it up where I had it.
Up
No,
on
hey,
top.
No, up on top of the board.
Get the hell out of Dodge!
Hey guys, tell me when you're about to go so I can start it.
Hell, I started a moment ago.
I put safety on, shouldn't have done that.
You good?
Hey, the sign just flipped off.
Alright, he's getting ready.
We're ready.
Okay, videoing.
Videoing.
Seriously?
Fucking missed.
On fire!
That was a bad shot.
Holy shit. Big old nail on the damn floor. What the hell? I don't know either. That's weird.
Shoot you right in the damn foot.
No, Alex!
Alex, you're about to get shot. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
Okay.
All right. Calm down.
Yeah,
Are you shooting the glass?
Oh, let me get through here.
I'm shooting good.
Hit the glass. I want to see it buzz.
The scope's off on this, so I can't hit it.
What?
The scope's off, so I can't hit it.
Let's try.
Just aim in its direction.
Oh, come on, you good.
Technical difficulties here, people. Oh,
Oh, wow. I wasn't even aiming for the glass.
Dude, I seen that. It sparked up. Did you? What?
It just boomed it. It didn't hit it.
Okay, I'm gonna try one more time.
alrighty.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you did?
Kill shot.
Where?
Right there.
Right there, kill shot.
Yeah. Poor deer. Poor fucking deer.
I aimed up and to the right. So. Yep.
Let's look at your 270 here. All right.
Yeah.
He fucking shut the door. Oh, it went in 2 pieces. Let's go look.
Fuck that bastard.
Nothing left of the bottle. Oh, look, the
The base is still
the
there.
base is still
Hey,
there.
guys, come here.
I see it. That face is still there.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah. Look,
What the heck?
he shot that sumbitch right off of its own foundation. God. There's the end of
The
it.
rest of it's back here.
God, look at this. There's the MOBO for the computer. There's like glass fragments in the box.
Fucking badass.
Yeah,
You can see it's still sitting there.
it's awesome.
I think most iPhones have slow mo and mine doesn't have it. That would have been sick.
Oh, I didn't know. Yeah, I hit right through the cap, right above where I hit it the last time. Forgot about that.
See my awesome kill shot brush?
Yeah. I got a video of that too. You probably can't see it though.
This is my favorite.
I'm about to close
What,
it.
you don't want us to listen to your brush? 150, 140.
Hey, what is it shoot? What?
Is it on?
What?
Yeah, take these off, you're good to go.
Yeah. It's off a little bit. It's just a little high, but it should be good.
I feel like a guy's night. My ears!
These potholes!
No!
I'm bleeding his ears!
Alright. We're going down. Look at all them shot shells.
Hey, Fox. Hey, Fox, you ready?
Where the hell did they hit? I think he hit here.
Yeah. Yeah, that was me.
Yeah, you hit there.
Yep.
He hit right there.
Fizzled off the side, but that's because like you don't have any stability up in the front.
No, you took.
I want to shoot mine.
You still got a round in there, or it's not. I can't.
It's
get the
oh,
anyway.
okay. All right. Who wants to hold the camera?
What?
Want to shoot this?
I can, I guess.
Get on my property,
It's still going.
Oh,
Oh shit.
It's just a pellet gun.
What?
Get off my property, goddammit.
Let's go.
Have a Mexican standoff.
Up and to the right.
All right. I'm gonna shoot off to the car.
Hey, you mind if I get up on the truck?
Oh, hey, don't lean too hard on that truck.
Hey, you still recording?
Yeah, it's still recording.
Alright.
My finger's sort in the way, but.
Fuck you, dude.
Hey, this is what pussyitis looks like.
Hey, when in doubt, use a BB gun.
Wait, do you guys put the bolt in first?
Shit, curve to the left.
No, what the fuck do you listen to this?
Nigger music.
Hey, come over here.
You know what they call the Flintstones and
Come
they
over
were
here.
black? Nigger. You call them niggers.
This guy listens to shit.
I don't listen to shit.
He listens to nigger
I listen
music.
to nigger music.
God.
It's the only way we can get along in this country.
That's what they say. Hey, you want to hold the camera?
Yeah.
Hey, you'll hold the camera.
Let's try
Because you have
yellow paint. You're scared of them, but some pros ain't.
Okay, he shoots the 270.
Come on.
Wait, is it off safe? Hey, is it off safe?
Oh no, hang on.
For the record,
It's forward safe or back?
Forward is dead.
on YouTube.
Forward is dead?
God.
I'm not doing anything.
You know what it is?
Yeah, it's called fucking. No, you don't. You don't know what it is.
Great shot.
Hey,
Fuck. God, shit.
Did you remember to go up and right? What?
Up and right.
Did you go to the upper right corner?
I did what?
Did you go up to the right corner?
Yeah.
Got the bottom left.
Yeah, I was all the way up here.
All right.
I was all the way up here.
John, you want to record? Because I don't feel safe with Noah behind me.
Oh, can I shoot that one?
Yeah, I want to shoot off the bipod though.
Yeah, me too. Hey, don't keep shooting that gun. It's not ours.
It's got BBs in it, so don't worry.
All right, give me the bipod to the gun here.
Hey, John.
No, fuck you! I didn't shoot you, dude.
Good God, you're coming up. Oh, what the hell?
Dance, pretty boy. Oh, dance. Dance.
John?
Dance.
I didn't shoot you, dude. Come on now.
John.
Hold on. Where's your fucking earbuds at, dude?
I shot you between your boots.
There you go. Do you guys know where the earbuds are?
Shot you now. Hey, record me.
Hold on.
He's in there jamming out.
Pick your target. We're in the moving vehicle.
Oh, it's a test now.
Wait.
Let's go.
All right, my turn.
Yeah, fuck you. You have to get more ammo for it.
Hey, give me the camera really quick. Hey, everybody get in the back really quick.
be a dead hole nigga, give a damn if you wear blue and red hole nigga. Listen, I ain't really much for the time, but
It's like a boogie board.
Shout out to Fernando, who get the key to the ear, underlay pronto. Something to mama, right?
Woo, sit the fuck down!
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh, buddy!
And now.
Alright, we are... I made a fucking makeshift suppressor. Probably illegal as hell. We'll see what it does. Confetti machine!
You gotta put a hole in the end of it. You forgot about that. The compression in the bottle makes it blow up.
Oh well.
You gotta put at least.
Ow, mother!
Turn that off!
Ow! Ow!
Here. No,
What? Oh.
make it quick.
Okay, it's on.
$30 fucking cow.
Alright, boys.
$30 fucking cow. Don't go with anything else.